Okay, page 47, problem 12. Computer Tools is a young startup company. No dividends will be paid on the stock over the next 3 years because the firm needs to plow back its earnings to fuel growth. So there will be no dividends in the first 3 years. The company will then pay $6 per share dividend in year 4 and will increase the dividend by 4% per year thereafter. So that's the constant dividend growth rate formula. But starting in year 4. If the required return on the stock is 12%, what is the current P0 share price? Okay, and here's how you answer that question. Okay, so again, no dividends in the first 3 years. So your first dividend is D4. So you use the constant dividend growth formula, and you know that your first dividend is D4. Remember in that formula, dt plus 1 is the top part of that formula. So for dt plus 1 to equal d4, t has to equal 3, which pt is the first part of the formula, price in period t. So p3 equals dt plus 1 over r minus g. So p3 equals d4 over r minus g. You know that the dividend is $6 with the constant growth rate. That's why we're using that formula. Required return is 12%, and the growth rate is 4%, so $6 over 0.08 is $75. That's P3 equals that. Okay, that's P3, the price in year 3. You want the price at year 0. So P3, the price is $75. To discount that back to P0, you take 1 plus the required return of 12%, to the third power because you're discounting it 3 years. $75 over a $1.404928 equals $53.38. This is just another one of those two steps formulas, and you got to make sure that when there's no dividend at first that you discount it to the right period. Since D4 is your first period, you're still using that formula PT equals DT plus 1 over R minus G. You know that D4 is the first dividend, so PT, since this is T plus 1, that would be P3. Then you figure out what it is, and you know that's the price in year 3. Then you take that and discount it back 3 years to P0. And that's your answer.